Hello Fumari family. Today's subject has everything to do with hookah tobacco and its packing densities for the best results. But how can you make sure you're packing your tobacco the right density? Isn't hookah tobacco all the same? Don't worry, as always, we got you fam. To Fluff Pack, you should be letting gravity do all the work for you. Simply break up your hookah tobacco by mixing it and allow it to fall directly into your bowl from your fingers or your fork. From there, you should readjust the leaves ever so slightly, being sure not to compress any of the tobacco leaves as this will change the smoke quality and pack definition. Typically, these packs smoke for a lighter duration and involve more heat management than others, but yield a brighter flavor. This method can be used for Fumari, but we also like to give our leaves a slight tap down, which leads us to our next density level. To achieve a normal pack, Fluff pack the standard amount of tobacco into your bowl, only this time around, give it a slight little tap down to reduce the air gaps between leaves and create a more uniform top layer. This should end up looking like 25% of your bowl is now compacted. This method even allows for easier cooking of your hookah tobacco due to the top layer now acting as a heat shield for the expanding molasses and glycerin. To accomplish a semi-dense pack, start with just a little bit more tobacco than you normally use to keep your pack at the desired level. Fluff it into your bowl, as usual, but instead of focusing on the top layer like you did with the normal pack, continue into the bottom and middle layers as well. The key word here is to minimize your air gaps, not eliminate them. Some of the benefits of packing this way are a longer lasting session and less heat management overall. To achieve a dense pack, you should continue to compress all the layers in your bowl until they are non-existent. You don't have to hammer all the tobacco in at once, but keep in mind you do want to have your pack below the rim, as dense packing and overpacking are two different things. What's important here is getting all your leaves uniformly compressed and arranged in a way that make them one, as opposed to the other methods we touched upon earlier where you still had some air gaps remaining. With this packing method, you need to be on point with your heat management skills, however, as hearing just one little tiny part of your bowl can ruin your entire session. But when you do this correctly, your flavor and longevity cannot be beat. Now that you're density and packing masters, let's see some of those bowl shots, Fumari fam. Be sure to tag us on Instagram for a repost, and thank you guys for watching.